Today we are going to make a joint by using welding. Okay, welding means joining of two workpiece, two material. This is the one material and this is the other material. We want to join. There are different types of joints available in welding process: a lap joint, butt joint, T joint, etc. Now we are going to make a T joint like this. This is our T joint. Okay, like this we are going to make the workpiece. So there are different instruments or different tools used for making the welded joints. First one, the welding machine, that is we are using 150 amps welding machine we are now using. This is the welding electrode. Okay, welding electrode of diameter 3 mm and the length of the electrode is 350 mm. Okay, then we are going to make the T joint. Before that, making some safety precautions like this is apron and this is the hand gloves for our safety. Then this is the goggles. Okay, this is the goggles for the eye protection, and also this is the face shield we are using for the welding process. And now my colleague will make the welded joints. Before starting our work, we made one tag, the front side and the rear side of the workpiece. Then only we will make the continuous weld. Okay, on both side of the workpiece. Otherwise, it will fall down. So we made one tag here and another one tag here, front side and rear side. So the workpiece will hold together. So now we can make the continuous weld here and here. Okay. This is our T joint. This is the final workpiece. So now we want to remove the slag from the workpiece. So we are using the chipping hammer. By using this hammer, we can remove the slag formed over the welded area. This is the wire brush. We can clean the work area. That means the welded area we can clean by using this wire brush. Okay. So this is our output.